today I'm going to be taking you through a full body HIIT workout. The only thing you need is a full bottle of water. My name is Tilia, I'm a former pro athlete. Let's go! You always have 10 seconds between each exercise so that you have enough time to switch positions. Okay, number 1. We're in the V-sit position. Lift up your legs and then move the bottle around as fast as possible. 30 seconds. Change of direction. Change. And last change. Alright, next, bottle twist. So stay in the V-sit position and just move the bottle, one side to the other. And now as fast as possible, 30 seconds. Now for the next exercise, I want you to fall back to about this point and come back again. 15 seconds. The bottle row. So we're gonna go into a push-up position and we roll the bottle from one hand to the other. 15 seconds. Okay, next exercise, stand shoulder width apart. We're gonna do some ankle jumps. Every second jump should be as high as possible, okay? You see my toes? Always make sure they are raised when you're jumping. Okay, let's do the watermelon exercise now. Lay on your back, imagine you're a watermelon field worker and that you need to grab a lot of watermelons right above your head to place them to your left and then to your right side. But always make sure you grab the watermelon above your head and not above your chest or above your knees. 45 seconds. Okay, we're gonna do some hip thrusts now, but with a little extra coordination task. So whenever you lower your hips, move one arm to the side, and whenever you raise your hips, bring your arm up again. And now do the same thing, but with your other arm. Next exercise, just lay on your back, 30 seconds toe touches. Okay, next, 10 times Romanian deadlifts. I want you to get up, stand shoulder width apart, and then you push your butt back, you keep your back straight, and then you stand straight back up again. Okay, next, 10 split squats. Let's go. Straighten your arms, left knee in front, 90 degrees. Always make sure that your knee and your toes point in the same direction. That's really important. And change the leg. We're gonna do some lunge jumps now, similar position but a bit more dynamic. Always make sure you have your knee angle at about 90 degrees when you land in, because this is gonna protect your knee from pain, stress, overload, injuries. Very important. Go back into the V-sit position. Rotate the bottle around your upper body. 20 seconds. And change the direction. Alright, next one. Straighten your arms, go down into the Sumo Sit position, make sure your feet soles are flat on the floor, and then try to move to the left side, to the right side, to the left side, and so on. 20 seconds. Okay, this is the second last exercise. This is a really easy stretch. Straighten your arms, bend them to the side, 5 lat stretches to the left and 5 to the right side. Okay, this is our very last exercise. It's one of my favorites. Lift up your left leg, jump 3 times on your right leg, then switch the legs, jump 3 times on your left leg, and so on. And very important, try to be as tall as possible, try to be taller than you usually are. It should never look like you're sitting on a chair or something, it should more look like you're reaching for a header. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos about sports science or nutrition science, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a like.